Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hack your Qlife Spark to get a higher top speed. But first we're going to check out what it can do on the stock setting and see how fast this guy goes without doing any sort of modifications to it. Here we go. Alright, so we got it up here to 28, 29, 30, looked like it touched 30 there. So it seems like it just kind of finishes off right around 29:30 as a top speed here on the stock setting. All right, so to get this thing set up for a higher max speed is pretty easy. You hold down the brake all the way, twist the throttle all the way, and turn it on. Then you wait a few seconds and then release the brake and throttle. Now it should be ready for a higher top speed. Let's see. All right, well, we're already at 30. Here we go, 31, 32. Yep, this is definitely working. 35, 36, 37. Come on, baby. 38. Yep, this definitely has worked. We've got a way higher top speed, 40 miles an hour. Look at that, 41, 42. Yeah, that's 12 miles an hour faster than it was on the stock setting, guys. Pretty dang fast. So what do you think? This Qlife Spark, pretty awesome. If you thought this video was awesome, hang out some more. Click on one of the other couple of videos I've got up on screen for you guys.